welcome back to my channel. You know, it's just being Delilah. So today we're in Lake Perris, my sister, and of course my whole family, and it's a little late minute trip. We actually made this really late. We decided kind of like 2 days ago, and we're at Lake Perris, like I said it right now, and we're gonna be here tonight and hopefully tomorrow because school starts Monday, so why not make a last minute trip, you know? Fingers crossed I don't get burnt because I have pictures on the 29th for makeup day, and wish me luck. I hope you guys enjoy my videos and come with my journey. So this vlog is basically going to be me creating my, creating my memories and putting them online for everyone else to see, and hopefully you guys become involved with me and follow me throughout my journey. I'm going to be also videotaping my whole senior year since my last year in high school, and I hope you guys all enjoy my videos and hope to see you guys soon. Please enjoy my video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, just be yourself. Bye.